garment printing for new and upgrade business startups. Direct-to-garment printing machines, another brilliant innovation from the staple of Technology Global Services Limited, has finally debuted to liberate, sensitize, and introduce Nigeria textile printing industry to a better, faster, and much more efficient way of garment decoration. This will no doubt break and upgrade the archaic record of screen printing and almost extinguished heat transfer printing methods. A sure ride for Nigeria printing industry to the digital garment printing Hall of Fame.
Don't you just like it when business booms? T-shirt printing at its best. I would like you to join us in this journey of understanding how you can print quality T-shirts. If you really want to go into this kind of business, I encourage you to come along on this journey. Thank you.
For us, we have over the years proposed only technology that we know can work in Nigeria. This is why we immediately chose the TextJet brand from Polyprint for entry-level customers. Automatic head adjustment, which prevents print head damage, superb ink management with zero ink wastage, ability to switch off for up to 15 days without print head clogging, very user-friendly software, and inbuilt ink calculator to no actual cost of printing, quality brains, and most interestingly, a very affordable piece of equipment. TextJet DTG is a wise choice. Ask us for the return of investment calculation, and you will even be much more amazed. We invite all new entrants into DTG business to embrace this highly impressive equipment.
I would like to introduce you to the entry-level direct garment equipment, popularly known as DTG. With the entry level, you have a pallet that is the same like that of the screen printer. Very easy to remove, and it's the same pallet that goes on the screen printing machine. So with this, you can have a bridge from DTG digital between the digital and the conventional way of screen printing. This is a very, very low consumption equipment in terms of ink. So it means that you can effectively work here and have a good return on investment. We preach mass customization rather than mass production in direct garment printing. So it's very easy for you to start here. And who are the kind of customers that we're looking for in entry level? You are starting up a new business in shirt printing. You need to print some shirts in your department, a church, a mosque. 2-3 friends want to come together, you don't have enough financing. Those kind of people can start with an entry level machine. With this machine, you're still okay. If you print 22 shirts every day, you will get back your return on investment in 6 to 7 months. Low power consumption, 10 kVA, you can put the heat press and the textile machine in the same room. You will have very good quality. Oh, by the way, the heat press has been on for the past 3 minutes, so my shirt is ready. Entry level textile.
This beautiful equipment has a lot of benefits. When you want to compare with other direct-to-garment print equipment in the market, it has an ink management system which automatically creates a white marks when you print the dark shade of colors. If you're so familiar with direct-to-garment equipment in the market, we call something priming. You can't leave the equipment for long. You have to prime it every day by day, even if you don't have a job to be printed, thereby wasting more ink in order to prime the printing. But with this beautiful equipment, you can actually leave it 15 days idle without priming and without the fear of printed kludge at the end of it. And 5 says the print quality is photorealistic with a very wonderful resolution of 1440 by 1440. I guess these amazing qualities actually make texture to stand out among its peers.
And once you build the volume, or you've been in the business with some form of equipment, or the other in the past, then going industrial is the next step. The current range for the industrial high-volume printers, from the entry-level Breeze, double platinum storm, even higher productivity avalanche, or even the Exa range with an even much bigger color gamut. With the introduction of extra colors, Cronit promises a wet-to-wet printing method, which means pre-treatment is applied automatically and t-shirt printed at the same time. The speed ranges from 40 shirts per hour up to 400 shirts per hour. The neo pigment inks are patented to Cronit to give the best picture realistic quality, very good end feel and washability.
But if you will need to move to the industrial level, then I would like to introduce you to the Cronit. You constantly have materials to print. You have been in the t-shirt printing business and you need to grow your volume. Then we need to talk about the industrial printing machine. Here, pre-treatment is done automatically, unlike in the entry level where you still have to manually pre-print. Once you put your shirt on the bed and you send the job to the equipment, pre-treatment is done and printing is done at the same time. This is what we call the wet print. This gives you a very, very vibrant quality, and no other than the advantage of our new pigment ink in the Cronit range. This is the Cronit Breeze, and this is a machine that can give you 40 shirts per hour print. But you can also move up from the Cronit to the Avalanche, for instance, which will give you about 300 shirts per hour. After printing, we have to cure. And to cure, we need the oven. We will work with oven because we do not need to press in the new pigment ink. It sits on the fabric and all it does is cure at a temperature. So in 8 minutes, we have a finished product on the Cronit machine. It's a much more expensive machine, but it also is a very rugged machine. So at the end of the day, return on investment is still guaranteed. Thank you very much.
Cronit printer is very easy to maintain. It can be done by the operator daily, but also we have the yearly maintenance on the machine where we change some wear and tear parts and also replace the linings on the machine. Also, we do calibrate it yearly if you have a problem. But the basic maintenance can easily be done by the operator, which is the cleaning of the printer, cleaning of the machine entirely, and purging the machine again.
The direct-to-garment is definitely come to stay. Before you invest in the next machine, you might really want to talk to us. Our expert spans over a decade in the field of printing equipment technology, operator training and enhancement and quality after-sales support. Going by the report of experts, the printing industry is gradually tilting towards digital, and Nigeria printing industry cannot afford to be left on the cold stone of old methods of garment printing.